Guys, while rebuilding this workspace, I thought about one thing. Well, you can build a high-end PC, buy many cameras, lights, do a big cool setup. But if you'll spend 10 hours on uncomfortable chair all day and everything will be ruined. So for my new workspace, I wanted something more technological and more interesting. That's why I decided to try LiberNovo Omni. I spent most of my day editing videos, building PCs, sometimes gaming and working at this desk for hours. So I decided I want a chair that feels like a part of this workstation itself, not just another regular gaming chair. And what makes this chair interesting is that everything moves together with my body. Most ergonomic chairs support you only in one perfect position. But we understand that nobody works all day in only one position. You can constantly move, lean forward, lean back and change position. And the LiberNovo Omni is designed exactly for that. The headrest, armrest, backrest and seat all move together automatically. So your body still feels natural while working or gaming. And the setup was much more easier than I thought. The whole assembly took me only around 15 minutes. And the chair immediately feels premium and solid. You can quickly adjust lumbar support, armrest, seat height and neck support. One of the coolest features is the bionic flex fit backrest. The backrest adapts to your spine and lower back position in real time, and you can actually see how the chair moving while you're changing your body position. The chair also has 4 reclining modes, depending on what you're doing. 105 degrees is great for focused work and editing. 120 degrees feels more relaxed for longer work sessions. 135 degrees works really well for gaming or watching content. And 160 degrees is basically full recovery mode. Also, I got optional footrest attachment, which works really well together with the 160-degree recline mode. You can fully recline the chair, extend the footrest for lower body support, activate the Omni stretch mode, and the chair gently lifts your lower back to help relax your spine after long hours at the desk. And it slowly becomes one of my favorite features after long night sessions of video editing. And probably the best thing for me, as for the content creator, is that the LiberNovo Omni doesn't really feel like a typical gaming chair. It feels more like a premium workstation tool for creators, editors, gamers, or anyone spending long hours at the desk. And for this new workspace setup, it fits perfect. So if you're looking for a more comfortable and more ergonomic setup for working and gaming, check out LiberNovo Omni using links in the description below. And let's go back to our studio build.